This is WSAW Channel 67, serving Salt Lake City. These are the programs coming up next on WSAW. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This is not a test. This is a global emergency broadcast from the SCP Foundation and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. A coordinated and astronomical attack is unfolding across the world at the time. People are reporting that the moon is unusually brighter than normal, making the moonlight more visible. People are reported to go blind whenever they look up at the sky. And Foundation group named the SCP Foundation is investigating the true manner of the event. Other reports have came in about people turning into werewolf-like creatures whenever they look up to the moon. Others reported it being darker at sunset or becoming visible when it's completely dark. The SCP Foundation is calling this entity SCP-000. SCP-000 is the entity that takes control of the lunar world like space and the moon and breaks night. The night is broken. Residents are advised to shelter in place at this time as it is too dangerous to go out at this time. Do not look up. Do not look up. Do not look up. Do not look up.